Let's write down some rules that would help us to find a. The first rule that I would apply is that if we have the nth root of a to the power of m, we can rewrite this as a to the power of m over n. Okay. The second rule is that if we have 1 over a to the power of m, we can rewrite this as a to the power of minus m. And you know that we can rewrite this in different ways. For example, we can say if we have a to the power of m, then this equals 1 over a to the power of minus m, or something like this. So yes, I mean, there are many different ways we can play with this. And the third rule is that if we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this equals a to the power of m plus n because the bases are the same. So let's start by applying the first rule. Here we have the seventh root of a. So if I apply this first rule, I can write this as a to the power of 1 over 7. All right. And so let's write this. So here, by applying the first rule, we can write this as a to the power of 1 over 7 equals 27 times a to the power of 15 over 7. Now I divide each side of the equality sign by a to the power of 1 over 7. Okay, then here we have a to the power of 1 over 7 divided by a to the power of 1 over 7, and on the right hand side we have 27 times a to the power of 15 over 7 divided by a to the power of 1 over 7. Okay, and this cancel out each other, so what is left is 1. So let me just get rid of this. What is left is 1, and here I can apply the second rule. Here we have a to the power of 1 over 7 in denominator. I can take it up to the numerator, but then replace it by a to the power of 1, a to the power of minus 1 over 7. All right, so I can rewrite this, the whole expression, as 1 equals 27 times a to the power of 15 over 7 times a to the power of minus 1 over 7. All right, and now it's time to apply the third rule because we have the same basis here, so we can sum up the exponents. So I can write this as 1 equals 27 times a to the power of 15 over 7 plus minus 1 over 7. So I can directly write it as minus 1 over 7. And since the denominators are the same, here we have 15 minus 1, which is 14. So this is 1 equals 27 times a to the power of 14 over 7. And 14 over 7 is 2. So let's directly replace it by 2. Now it's time to isolate a, so I divide each side by 27. Then we have a squared equals 1 over 27. And then I'll take the square root of each side. It gives us a, or let me use different color, gives us a equals plus minus 1 over square root of 27. All right, so either a is 1 over square root of 27 or it is minus 1 over square root of 27. So a squared is 1 over 27. Yeah, and if we want, we can further simplify this square root of 27. We can rewrite this as, maybe I can write it here. Well, square root of 27 is square root of 3 times 9. Okay, 3 times 9. And I can write 9 as 2 to the power of 2. Sorry, 3 to the power of 2. And that means I can take this 3 out and write this as 3 times the square root of 3. So this is telling me that we can write a as 1 over 3 times square root of 3. So I mean both answers are saying the same thing. So both are correct.